Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. My name is Carrie. I'm a full-time trader and mentor in the crypto and Forex markets. Today's video, we're going to do an update on Bitcoin, even though not a lot has changed. And we're going to take a look at some alts that have the potential to really increase this week if they can hold certain levels. Free trial on the Discord, 7 days free. Come in this week, collaborate with us, and we hope you will stay. All right, let's get started. So we are still looking at the same exact count on Bitcoin. Not a lot has changed since my last video. We still are looking for this wave to continue to the upside with a fifth wave. If it can do this, we are looking at it as an A wave or a wave one for the bullish option. When we get a correction to the downside, we want it to hold and not come under this support that we have created. There would be no reason for that, and it would be bearish if it did. We want this correction to be a B or a 2, and then give us another 5 waves to the upside for a C or a 3. What starts with 5 ends with 5. So if this can be an A wave or a wave 1, we are definitely getting another 5 waves to the upside. Now the bearish option is that this wave is the end of something and that it is creating a C wave for an expanded flat of 3, 3, and then 5. What will happen is when this wave is complete, we will see a very harsh rejection that comes through here, back tests this fourth wave area, and then goes right through the support that we've created. This is what we don't want to see when this fifth wave is complete. So the big question is, are we going to get the fifth wave? Well, if we are, Bitcoin must hold approximately 20,350, right where this prior fourth wave and this gap was created. It can wick down and fill the gap, but it must hold this floor. If it comes underneath that, we will not be looking at this as a wave 4 anymore. Then we want it to push to the upside in a wave 5. Now, is there a chance that this wave is complete? There is a chance that it is complete, but the same thing applies. We do not want it to come underneath the support. It can fill the gap, but not come under the support and still be a wave 4 or a B wave or a wave 2. It doesn't matter as long as it doesn't come under the floor. Let's take a look at the lower time frame and what is going on. We still have the gap sitting at approximately 19,995. Bitcoin can clearly come down that low and fill the gap and still be a fourth wave or a wave 2 or a B wave. I'm more leaning fourth, but regardless, it doesn't matter if it can hold this area. Okay, on the lower time frame, Bitcoin is doing a very good job of holding these trend line. Each time it's come down, it has made a higher low. It is creating higher highs. Can this pattern break? Absolutely, but we still want it to potentially not come under this gap. That would be bad, and as you can see, there's nothing but insufficiency underneath. Okay, so let's take a quick look at ETH. ETH is exactly the same thing. As you can see, if ETH were to lose its prior fourth wave, there is nothing but insufficiency underneath it. This would bring ETH right in to its potential wave 1. We do not want that to happen if we want this to be a fourth wave and push upwards for a fifth wave. Could this run be done? It could. It could be done as a C wave, an A wave, or a wave 1. We do not know yet which one it is. If ETH comes through this support fills the insufficiency in, we do not want it to come underneath the support it has created. Coming underneath that would be bearish, just like Bitcoin. We want it to hold above it so that this correction can potentially be a B wave or a wave 2 and push to the upside and give us another 5 waves. Okay, so let's take a look at some altcoins that have the potential, if they can hold this week, to really push to the upside. So the first one is Atom. If Atom can hold its prior fourth territory, it has the potential to push up 50%. There is nothing in between here that would stop it until it comes into this area. The next one is Band. If Band can hold its prior fourth support, it could push up potentially almost 50%. Again, there is nothing in between here to hold it back. COT. If it can hold this support that you see right here, it could potentially push up 70%. Dash, same exact thing. If it can hold support, it could push up 50%. Dodge. If Dodge can hold its prior fourth wave, as you can see, it's insufficient all the way to 37%. Dusk. If it can hold its prior fourth, it could run potentially the same exact size leg over here, 100%. Will it go that high? Well, we don't know, but it could because there's nothing to stop it. Few more. FXS. If it can hold its prior fourth, there is nothing in between here. Look at this insufficient area. Link. It can hold support and push up 80% if it wants to. There is many, many more. Sheeb. Look at Sheeb. Sheeb is doing the best out of all of these. It is holding support on top of this consolidation. If it can hold support here, meaning it can come lower, it could push 50%. Sol, hold support in its fourth, could push 40%. So there's many, many more. I can't present them all, but take a look at them. They have a lot of potential, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.